This video is a tutorial of African Pride Moisture Miracle products. I really like their line and I just wanted to share it with you all. I am going to be pre-pooing my hair. For you all who don't know pre-pooing, that is pre-shampooing. So a disclaimer, I am a lazy natural. So this is my first time pre-pooing myself. I just wanted to go ahead and try the whole line out. So I wanted to try it from their step by step. So if you see my hair now, I'm taking down a pineapple. The curls that you see now is with me just using their leave-in conditioner cream. And that's the results of my curls with just the cream only. So I want to use the whole line, and at the end you'll see how my curls turn out. So with pre-pooing, I'm going to just section my hair. And I will go ahead and just take some of the product on my hands, rub it through, and then I'm going to apply it to my hair from the root down to the ends. Now I applied it on dry hair. I know some may apply it on wet hair, just depending on how your hair is feeling. So as you see, for me, the dry hair worked. Do as you feel like your hair needs to. If you feel like your hair is really dry, you need to apply it on wet hair, then spray. Use a spray bottle and spray it throughout, and then go ahead and apply the pre-poo. Now the bottle says to leave this in for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how dry your hair is. For me, I didn't leave it in that long because my hair was pretty moisturized before I applied it. So as you see, I'm just going to continue to section my hair so I can apply it throughout. I like to section my hair because if you can see here, my hair is pretty thick. So, and I finger comb. I don't typically use combs or brushes when my hair is in its natural state because I feel like it actually tears some of the hair out. So I like to not have so much shedding if possible. So I just go ahead and actually finger comb it myself. Yes, this may take a little longer for some, so it just helps me keep my hair intact. So after washing out the pre-poo, now we're going to go to step 2. Step 2 is when you apply the shampoo and conditioner. So the shampoo and conditioner, as you see, the shampoo is like a goldy color. And the shampoo has honey and coconut in it. And then the conditioner is a brown color because it has honey, chocolate, and coconut oil in it. Yes, chocolate. I have never had chocolate in my hair before. So this is the first time. And it felt really good. It smells good. No, for those who do not like chocolate, it does not smell like chocolate. I was actually waiting to open it up and smell chocolate, but it doesn't smell like chocolate. Now, as I apply it to my hair, as you can see, it starts to lather up, which I really like. I don't know if it's a mental thing, but I feel like when shampoos and conditioners lather, that is really cleaning my scalp and cleaning my hair really good. So this is a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, which, if you know, is better for your hair overall. So even a lot of I don't know if you've used, but a lot of sulfate shampoos and conditioners I've used, they don't really lather. So sometimes it may not seem like they're really cleaning your hair as the ones who do have sulfate free. So this one does lather. This one does make my scalp when I'm washing and conditioning, it made it feel really good. All right, just make sure that you are massaging your hair really good throughout when you are cleaning and shampooing and conditioning your hair. A clean scalp is what helps you achieve healthy growing hair. So make sure that you clean your scalp well because that helps from any blockage of hair follicles. You have to make sure you get the sweat and dirt and excess oils and any hair products that you've used for the last week or two. I like to massage for at least 5 minutes to make sure my hair, the blood is flowing through my scalp. So once again, I can have healthy growing hair. Now, washing out the shampoo, my hair feels really good and really clean. I do shampoo twice, and then I move on to the conditioner. So, once again, this conditioner I love just because it said chocolate, and I never had chocolate in my hair. I don't know if you all have intentionally. But this conditioner is brown, as you see on my hands. So if you're using it in the shower, then you're fine. But if you're washing your hair like me or washing your kids' hair and then you're just going to wash it out in the sink, just make sure that you don't have anything on that you don't want to turn brown. See, I had a white towel on and my towel did turn brown, but of course it washes out. So just a disclaimer that you may want to change your shirt if you're not washing in the shower. Just make sure. And conditioners, I typically deep condition, which means that I just go ahead and put the conditioner throughout my hair. I put on a shower cap and then I put on a towel around my head for maybe like 45 minutes to let the conditioner really seep in. Now on this one I did not for this video since I pre-pooed. So washing out the conditioner, then I moved on to the leave-in conditioners. The leave-in conditioners they have two different ones. As you can see, I showed you a spray, and that's what I'm putting in my hair now. The spray has coconut and milk and honey in it. Coconut milk and honey. And it smelled really good as well. And then they have a cream. For this video, I used both of them, which typically I just use the cream. As I showed you in the beginning, my hair was just curled up from just using the cream. So with the cream, as you see, if you can see with the lighting, it's like a white, kind of thick type of cream. So the cream has coconut and baobab oil in it. And I like to apply that throughout. So in the future, I probably will just use the cream. I mean, I have both now, so I might use both. But I would probably just buy the cream in the future, and that's just my own personal preference. I don't think there's anything wrong with the spray. I just like to have creams in my hair. It makes my hair feel really good. And I can feel when I spray something versus putting cream in it, I know that I've applied the cream throughout my roots to my ends. And with a spray, I don't always feel like it gets all the way through my hair. So that's just my own personal preference. So just applying the cream from the roots down to the ends. Now as you can see with the cream, my hair is already like it's curling up. And once again, I'm just finger detangling and applying it with my fingers. As I stated, yes, and I do have a little shedding, as I was showing you that I did have some hair on my hands. Because before I started this video, I had washing my hair I think in the last 5 days. And it had been up in that pineapple the entire time. So I had not combed it, I had not brushed it. It had just been in the pineapple. So that's typically how I leave my hair. Now I'm applying the curling cream. The curling cream has shea butter and flaxseed oil in it. And the curling cream kind of looks like the leave-in conditioner cream, but it's more thicker. And I was trying to show y'all, but with the lighting, it doesn't really give you a good picture of what it looks like. So you can see it on my hands. It's like a white, thick substance. It smells really good as well. So as I'm applying it, I'm in awe. Like if you look at my curls, as soon as I start applying it, it starts defining my curls so good. Like look at how my curls are just curling up right there. Leave-in conditioner does not normally do that. No. So the curling cream already has me on win. Like it's a thumbs up. Just letting you know, this product is a thumbs up. The whole line is a thumbs up for me. I have never typically able to just do a wash and go, except for with their leave-in conditioners and with this curling cream. Any other time, I typically do a twist out or a braid out, because if I try a wash and go, it looks like, no, you need to go ahead and try that again. Go do that again. So with this one, it definitely allows me to just wash it and go. I wash my hair, I allow it to dry, and you'll see in just a few minutes that at the end result, it looks really, good. My curls are really defined. So I'm just applying small amounts to parts of my hair just to make sure I can see my curls defining. Now, of course, there's different hair types out there. Depending on your hair type, you might need to take a smaller amount and apply it. So this is me just showing you I've applied all the products to my hair, and this is what it looks like wet. So this is my hair wet before it dries. You can see my curls defined. You can see how good they look. I was trying to get my whole head in the camera. Y'all can see it. But if you can look at the curls. Now this is my hair dry. This is the next day. My hair takes a long time to dry. I don't know if you can see it, but my hair is pretty thick. And it takes a while to dry. So this is the next day, fully dried. And this is the last product that it was from the Moisture Miracle. That is the 5 essential oils. So after it dries, then I'm applying the oils to my scalp. Just applying amounts and then just massaging it in to the scalp. So if you look at, I am very pleased with the results. I think my curls look really good. They are really defined. This is a wash and go. Typically, like I said, I don't get this results unless I do a twist out or a braid out. So for me, just being able to wash my hair and it doesn't look this good, I will continue to buy this product. Like I said, the African Pride product line is the only line that allows my hair to just look this good. I've used expensive products and nothing has done it my hair like this. So just put my hair back up in a pineapple. If you want to compare from the beginning of the slide to the end, you can see what my hair looked like just using the leave-in cream, and this is what it is using the curling cream. So you can see my hair. I think my curls is popping. I don't know how y'all think, but I think it's beautiful. So it definitely is a thumbs up for me. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing in advance, and thank you for liking.